Sometimes it burns, sometimes it hurts when you say my name.
Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. So guys, this is the unit I'll be reviewing today. It's from OMGHerHair. As you guys can see, this is a wavy texture unit. It is in 150% density and it is 20 inches. You guys can already get an idea of what the hairline on this unit looks like. Immaculate. This is what OMGHerHair is known for. Really quickly, here's the parting space with the lace, an adjustable elastic band, and you have the standard combs in the unit. Now, your unit will come with one of these glueless wig cap bands. I don't know what they're called. And an HD wig cap. I really am not doing the HD wig caps anymore unless I'm doing a ball cap, simply because they fit way too tight on my head. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some powder to this wig cap and let's try it on. This hairline is perfection. Can y'all see how small the knots are on this unit? Chef's kiss. Y'all already know what time it is when it comes to OMGHerHair. The proof is in the pudding. I'm gonna show y'all how easy it is to install these units. Let's go ahead and spray the adhesive to lay it down. I alternate between spraying the adhesive directly on my forehead and spraying it on top of the lace. Either method really works. It's really just up to you. However, I do feel like it's a lot easier to just spray it on top and tie it down and then cut the lace once it's finished. The only drawback to that is that you're going to have to do a double melt and retie the hairline down again using the elastic band to complete the entire melting process. However, it's still easy, it's still convenient, and it's still melted. Now, y'all already knew I was about to make this into a side part. Hashtag team side part. This looks better on me. Now, one thing I always preach to you guys is to make sure you hot comb your unit, particularly along the hairline and along the parting space. Another thing you want to do if you want a really flat install is to hot comb inside of the unit, because that's just going to make everything lay so nice and perfect. And while it may take an additional 5 minutes, the outcome is worth the extra time. Get into this install. Hairline is laid, okay? You gotta love this install. You gotta love the convenience. You gotta love the fact that it doesn't take much skill to get these same rewards. And one thing about OMGHerHair, they have been really consistent with the way their units arrive. It's always going to be ready to install and beginner friendly. Let's go ahead and style this really quickly. Y'all already know I love to throw a couple of light layers in my unit. It always helps your curls flow a lot nicer. Right, I am going to go ahead and throw a couple curls in this unit just so you can see beauty of this unit. Okay, dolls, that's all you need to do for this install. I already told y'all from the beginning this was going to be easy install. OMGHerHair is just like that. They are in the top 3 of units where if I get a unit from a vendor and I need to do an install quickly, I'm going to reach for them. Hands down, the most beginner friendly unit you're going to find. As you guys can see, this unit did come pre-plucked to the gods. The knots are bleached perfectly. The density on this unit is 150%. As for the length of this unit is 20 inches, and this unit does measure true to length. I didn't really experience any tangling or shedding with this unit so far, but again, I just put it on, so, you know, take that with a grain of salt. Okay, so the shipping speed according to the website is 2 to 4 business days. I did receive my unit fairly quickly, and that's for stock orders. Non-stock orders, I believe, is 3 to 5 business days. Ease of install, I already told you guys. You guys already seen how easy it was to install this unit. Don't need to go over that again. Comfort of wearing. This unit is very comfortable on my head. The back of this unit fits my head nice. It is some room in this unit, but it doesn't feel big on my head at all. It's odd. I think the elastic band that they have installed is good placement because that still allows it to fit my head snug, even though there's room for a bigger head size. So it doesn't have that feeling of it being too big, and it is comfortable on the nape of my neck. As far as the unit is concerned, I didn't have to cut off any additional hair to get it to line up with my hairline. The way that the hair was arranged on the unit was perfectly fine. All I had to do was cut the lace. As I mentioned, the knots were perfectly bleached. Honestly, I really don't have any complaints for this unit. Now, you guys know the holidays are here, so these are the perfect time to get you a sale. I do have a coupon code for you guys, so I'm going to go ahead and put that across the screen. It'll also be linked in the description box down below, along with everything else that I used in this video. But guys, before we get out of here, I'm going to need y'all help naming this beauty. What do you think we should call her? Go ahead and leave your name suggestions in the comment section down below. And I did pick a name for the unit I reviewed in my last video. The new name, as well as the person who submitted the name, will be listed across the screen. If you enjoyed or found any value in this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And while you're at it, go ahead and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on my future wig reviews. And while you're at it, why don't you check out these videos? You might enjoy them as well. As always, important, until next time, you guys stay blessed. And if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now.